How to turn off pages you follow push notifications on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off pages you follow push notifications on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and here just click these three lines in the top corner and go down until you find settings and then notifications, and here just go down. Here you will find this one, pages you follow, and then turn push notifications off. And now just go back. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and now see you in the next video.